have to get the project done, and that's kind of the most important thing. However, again, bigger companies, it starts to get too structured, right? Where this guy only does this task, this guy only does this task. But when you're in the smaller type of companies, you have to do the PLC programming, you have to do the robot programming. You know, I started doing electrical engineering because we didn't have anybody to electrically engineer our systems. And I was like, okay, I'll do it. Right? Like I've already wired all these panels, blah, blah, blah. I know exactly, the only thing I need to figure out how to do is how to use AutoCAD. You know, so then I started just using AutoCAD. I started doing the design, electrical design for the systems, and then we passed that off to an external company to examine and approve the prints that I was making, right? To make sure that what we was implementing and everything with the system was okay. I got the drawings and stuff approved, and then over time, you know, I became the guy who was doing the electrical engineering, right? And again, you know, these opportunities wouldn't have been there if I didn't initially take that job at the employer, at the place that I wanted a career in, and that I didn't step up and do some of the other tasks that were needed at the particular time. So there's a ton more to my career, and I'm sure you can find some other videos here on our YouTube channel where I dive into my career, as well as some other channels that I'm on, but I'll save that for another time. I'll save it for a future video where I discuss more on, you know, my career and but hopefully the insights that I've given you so far were enough to help boost you in your career, help direct you so that you can have a more successful career.